Learn English to Gujarati pronouns. I, you, he is with.
હું, તમે, એ, છે.
Welcome to Tiny Words, Big Drama. Hey, you are about to learn a handful of tiny Gujarati words that do a shocking amount of work. And yes, pronouns can be dramatic little divas. Today, you will practice the building blocks of simple Gujarati sentences.
હું,
For I.
તમે,
For you.
તમે,
For you in a polite singular formal sense.
એ,
For he, and.
છે.
For is. Think of them as the cast of a very low-budget but extremely educational sitcom. Meet the cast. Let's meet your new language roommates one by one. They are short, useful, and impossible to avoid. First up.
હું,
It means I point to your chest and say it.
હું,
Very good. Your chest has now joined the lesson. Next.
તમે,
It means you. Use it when speaking politely or generally to you. Point outward gently.
તમે,
Now the formal note. You, singular, formal, is also.
તમે,
Same Gujarati form, extra respect. Same word, better posture. Then we have.
એ,
It means he in our lesson. Point to someone over there, preferably not in a creepy way, and say.
એ,
And finally.
છે.
It means is. This is the glue word. Without it, your sentence may sit on the floor and refuse to assemble. Mini story at the door. Now imagine a little scene. It is simple, silly, and perfect for memory. You are standing at the front door. You point to yourself and say.
હું,
Then a guest arrives. You smile politely and say.
તમે,
A man walks in behind the guest, and you whisper.
એ,
Then you look around and confirm, yes, everyone is here, so you proudly add.
છે.
Congratulations. Your front door is now a grammar theater. Useful sentences you can steal. Let's borrow some ready-made sentences. Repeat them slowly and enjoy sounding impressively functional. I am here.
હું અહીં છું.
I see the house.
હું ઘર જોઉં છું.
I can do it.
હું એ કરી શકું છું.
You are here.
તમે,
Ahim Cho. Are you ready?
તમે,
Tyara Cho? You are very kind, sir.
તમે,
Bahu Dayalu Cho, Saheba. Are you coming today? Some.
તમે,
Ahe Avi Raya Cho? He is here.
તે અહીં છે.
This is good. Asaram.
છે.
It is here. Te Ahim.
છે.
Pronoun Jim. Time for a quick workout. No water bottle needed, just your voice and maybe one dramatic finger point. I say I, you say.
હું,
I say you say.
તમે,
I say you, singular formal, you say.
તમે,
I say he, you say.
એ,
I say is, you say.
છે.
Now faster. I.
હું,
You.
તમે,
He.
એ,
Is.
છે.
A very serious dialogue that is not serious. Here comes a tiny dialogue. Listen for the target words and enjoy the ridiculous energy. Person 1. Who will go? Person 2.
હું,
Obviously me. I have main character energy. Teacher.
તમે,
Ahe Avi Raya Cho? Are you coming today? Student. Yes, I am coming. Also, my homework is emotionally complicated. Friend 1. Who is outside? Friend 2.
એ,
He is here. Detective, pointing at a missing sandwich. It is on the table. It.
છે.
There. Case closed. The sandwich was never truly missing. It was just hiding in plain sight. Memory tricks that actually stick. Let's make these words easier to remember. Your brain likes weird images, so let's give it weird images. 4.
હું,
Imagine a mirror. Every reflection points at itself and says.
હું,
4.
તમે,
Imagine a polite cat wearing glasses and addressing everyone with great dignity.
તમે,
For formal.
તમે.
Picture a respected guest with a golden chair. You sit up straight and say.
તમે.
4.
એ.
Imagine one man under a spotlight while the crowd whispers.
એ.
4.
છે.
Picture a tiny glowing bridge connecting a thing to existence. Book there? Yes. Pen there? Yes. Coffee there? Please let it be there.
છે.
Quick quiz. Let's see what stuck. No pressure. Okay, tiny pressure. The fun kind. What is the Gujarati word for I?
હું.
What is the Gujarati word for you?
તમે.
How do you politely say you to one person, formally?
તમે.
What is the Gujarati word for he?
એ.
What is the Gujarati word for is?
છે.
Complete this.
અધોરેખિત 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 અહીં છે. એ.
Complete this. A serum.
અધોરેખિત અધોરેખિત અધોરેખિત. છે.
Complete this.
અધોરેખિત 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 અહીં છું. હું.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned some of the smallest and most powerful words in Gujarati. Today you practiced.
હું. તમે. તમે. એ.
And.
છે.
Repeat them again later, use them in tiny sentences, and let them become familiar friends instead of mysterious little symbols. Thanks for listening, keep practicing, and remember, even a two-letter word can carry an entire conversation if you say it with confidence.